Today, I'm going to talk about the best 20 foods you can eat and not worry about getting fat. Sounds too good to be true? Nah, it's really not. While these foods aren't exactly zero in calories, their calorie counts are low enough that you won't pack on the pounds. Secondly, these foods are rich in fiber that helps you feel and stay full. Watch until the end and I'll tell you my personal favorite that keeps me satisfied and fit no matter how much I eat. Number 1. Avocado. Sometimes referred to as Mother Nature's butter. Avocados are very creamy and rich but are extremely healthy, unlike butter. It's not high in carbs and rather is loaded with healthy fats. And fear not, because these healthy fats of avocado contain oleic acid, which helps tone down feelings of hunger. These nutrient-dense fruits also offer protein and fiber, which are great for preventing overeating. True enough, avocado is super filling and extremely healthy, but wait till you hear about what makes watermelon special. Number 2. Watermelon. If I have to name my top 5 favorite foods to eat for weight management, watermelon is definitely on it. It's made up of more than 90% water and is very low in calories. Those qualities of watermelons also make them very filling, making it harder to eat too many of these refreshing fruits. A single cup of watermelon provides about 47 calories only. If watermelon has water for weight loss, then blueberries have antioxidants. Number 3. Blueberries. The antioxidant content is like blueberries' claim to fame. As a matter of fact, the fruit packs more antioxidants than any other fruit. It's brimming with fiber, which promotes fullness. A cup of blueberries offers 14% of your recommended daily value with only around 85 calories. You can get them fresh or frozen. I especially love adding blueberries to my Greek yogurt, another food included in this video, which I'll be detailing in the later part of the video. Number 4. Grapefruit. Grapefruits are often considered diet food, mainly because of their high fiber content that keeps hunger at bay. Specifically, it does this by regulating your blood sugar levels and making you feel fuller for longer. It's best to eat grapefruits about 30 minutes before your meal to increase feelings of satiety, resulting in lower calorie intake. 1/2 of a grapefruit only contains 50 calories. Another fruit that won't make you fat is cantaloupe. Here's why. Number 5. Cantaloupe. Like most fruits, cantaloupe is composed primarily of water at almost 90%. But compared to its relatives like oranges, peaches, mangoes, and grapefruits, cantaloupes can have more beta-carotene. This plant pigment is converted into vitamin A in the body and promotes healthy eyes. A cup of cantaloupe also provides more than 100% of the daily recommended value of vitamins A and C. Best of all, you won't get fat with this fruit. Aside from its high water content, it only has 55 calories in one serving. Are you familiar with the Mediterranean diet? Olive oil is a major component of it. This oil is packed with nutrients that won't make you pack on weight, but I'm going to explore more on that a little later. If you're here looking for low-calorie foods to eat because intermittent fasting was too difficult for you, then I don't blame you. According to numerous studies, intermittent fasting is the most efficient weight loss method. Unfortunately, not many people can go without food for 5, 8, 12, or even 24 hours at a time. When you do not eat for hours, a switch is activated telling your body to burn any fat reserves and to destroy old cells that are not functioning properly. This triggers a regeneration process that not only supports weight loss, but also renews every single cell in your body, making you look years younger. Now, we have the easy way of making this happen with Fastlane Pro, our sponsor for this video. FLP is unlike anything you've ever tried or experienced in your life before. It's the only formula that contains 11 powerful natural ingredients that work in perfect synergy to trick your brain into thinking you are fasting and maintain a healthy weight no matter what and when you eat. Click the link in the description to start burning off that stubborn belly fat today. Number 6. Honeydew melon. This cousin of cantaloupe has slightly more calories per serving at 64 calories. Most of its calories come from the fruit's 14 grams of natural sugar. Besides water, honeydew melon also contains electrolytes including potassium, magnesium, sodium, and calcium. Thanks to its water and nutrient content, it's great to eat after a workout. It will never make you fat. Number 7. Orange. Citrus fruits are rich in pectin, meaning they can delay digestion and boost satiety. Oranges in particular are one of the foods you can eat that will never make you pack on pounds. It's high in water, over 87%, and can fill you up for only a few calories. A medium-sized orange contains around 80 calories. Orange is also high in vitamin C, which helps keep the skin bright and healthy looking. And just a little hack, consider eating the white tissue under the orange's skin. It's called pith and it contains a lot of fiber. As you've noticed, the first 7 are all fruits. The next few items on my list is going to be vegetables. The first one being number 8, broccoli. Broccoli is one of the superfoods and is most nutritious when eaten steamed or raw. It only has about 31 calories in one serving, so you surely won't gain weight with this. This super veggie also has sulforaphane, an anti-carcinogen that aids in destroying cancer-causing chemicals that the body may get through diet or from the environment. Vitamins A, C, E, and K are all found in broccoli. Number 9. Kale. Light in calories, a cup of raw kale only provides 33 calories. But that isn't all there is to kale. It also contains 3 grams of protein and 2.5 grams of fiber each serving. Additionally, kale is among the few foods that have an omega-3 fatty acid, a nutrient that's prominent in fish. Kale is also jam-packed in vitamins and folate. One unique way to eat kale leaves is to bake them for a crunchy snack. Don't forget to spray a bit of olive oil and season it with salt and pepper. Technically, peppers are classified as fruits, but most times they're used as culinary vegetables, which is what I'll be talking about next. Number 10. Chili peppers. Not only do chili peppers add spiciness to the flavor of a dish, but they also have slimming powers. They have capsaicin, a substance that's been found to reduce appetite and enhance fat burning. The same substance is even sold in supplement form. So yes, it's safe to say that you can eat chili peppers and not worry about getting fat. Number 11. Tomatoes. Tomatoes having lycopene is a fact known by many people. This compound gives the fruit/vegetable its red color and helps the body fight against chronic diseases. Tomatoes are very low in calories, with an average-sized tomato having only 22 calories. They're also considered a high-volume food because of their high content of water, air, and fiber. Rest assured that you won't gain weight by eating tomatoes. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile. Marinated tomatoes are my favorite. I just mix my quartered tomatoes with olive oil, vinegar, and some herbs and spices. If you have your style of preparing tomatoes, let me know in the comment below. Number 12. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a more nutrient-dense alternative to high-carb foods like potatoes and rice. Contrary to its inconvenient color for a vegetable, cauliflower is quite versatile and is especially nutritious. It's rich in folate, fiber, and vitamin C and K. It also has a few calories, only 25 per serving. You can also use cauliflower as a pizza crust to save you some calories without feeling deprived at all. By the way, guys, eating those weight loss-friendly foods is one thing, but it's another entirely to perform exercises that will surely melt your belly fat. More on that coming up in a bit. Number 13. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in cancer-fighting polyphenols and heart-strengthening monounsaturated fats, including oleic acid. According to studies, having a diet rich in olive oil resulted in higher levels of adiponectin. Adiponectin is a hormone responsible for the breakdown of fats in the body. In other words, the more of it your body has, the lower your BMI tends to be. Furthermore, extra virgin olive oil may help improve satiety. Number 14. Canola oil. Canola oil is derived from the seeds of a yellow plant belonging to the broccoli family. Its ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fats is actually near perfect. Studies said that individuals who achieve a dietary ratio similar to canola oil's 2 to 5 to 1 have been more effective at battling asthma, arthritis, and cancer. Moreover, canola oil is a great source of alpha-linoleic acid, or ALA, an essential omega-3 that helps in maintaining weight. Next up are the tiny but highly nutritious seeds called chia seeds. Number 15. Chia seeds. Although small, chia seeds pack quite a big nutritional punch. For starters, it contains ALA, which doesn't only aid in weight maintenance, but also promotes blood vessel health and reduces inflammation. Based on a review, omega-3s can cut down hunger levels and boost fat burning. In another report, it was also found that a high intake of omega-3s enhances the body's ability to metabolize fat. Number 16. Greek yogurt. If you love dairy products and want to avoid gaining fat, there's Greek yogurt. This low-fat, high-protein food is also crammed with calcium and probiotics. Put simply, it has all the qualities of one of the best foods for weight loss and general health. Make sure you're eating Greek yogurt, however. Whole milk Greek yogurts usually have higher protein and fat but less sugar. This is a good combination because protein takes longer to digest while fat makes you feel satisfied. If you think Greek yogurt is already filling, then you'd be surprised with how good eggs are even more in this department. Number 17. Whole eggs. This is your sign to eat both the yolk and the white. The white is all protein and the yolk is mostly fat and cholesterol. But don't worry because the fat in yolks is mostly monounsaturated. It has already been studied and found that the overall fat profile in egg yolks helps reduce bad cholesterol, not increase it. If that isn't enough, eggs have choline, which attacks the gene mechanism that prompts your body to store fat around the liver. Number 18. Wild salmon. Adding this fish into your diet, even for just twice a week, gives your body the full amount of omega-3s recommended by the American Heart Association. Omega-3 fatty acids are well known for improving heart health, but are also great for inhibiting muscle breakdown and promoting fat loss. Besides salmon, another fish that's exceptionally good at not making you fat is the good old number 19, tuna. Among all the fish in the sea, tuna has one of the highest content of docosahexaenoic acid (DHA), an omega-3 fatty acid. Canned light tuna is your new best bud, as it's not only the most affordable but also one of the best at supporting weight loss. In fact, research has shown that omega-3s can switch off abdominal fat genes. Furthermore, DHA is more effective at regulating fat genes in the belly. Number 20, grass-fed beef. Rather than the conventionally raised beef, go for the grass-fed kind. It's higher in conjugated linoleic acid, stearic acid, and omega-3 fatty acid, but lower in unhealthy palmitic acid. For reducing or preserving your waistline, grass-fed beef is the best choice. For those who are stuck until the end, here's my favorite food to munch on that won't make me fat. Number 21, popcorn. Cheetos, 100% guilty pleasure. Pizza rolls, definitely. But popcorn, that's a no. This quick fix snack is a whole grain and has more fiber than several other popular snack foods. As such, you're less likely to overeat it compared to something like potato chips. Steer clear from commercially prepared or microwave popcorn and go for the air pop variety instead. As much as possible, don't add butter or oil to keep the calories low. As long as you limit your intake to a few cups per day, eating this crunchy snack can help you burn fat and lose weight rather than pack on pounds. When losing weight, your daily nutrition plays an important part. Eating those foods is the first step. The next would be to plan out your workout routine, and the exercises you must include can be found in this next video, so make sure to watch it here.